Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the freeze option into VN editor. So as you can see in the last class we have discussed about the reverse option, that how you can reverse any kind of video into VN editor. So let's see how we can freeze the video. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fit this into timeline. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the freeze. So first of all, we have to select that frame, that which frame we want to make it freeze that frame. For example, I want to freeze this frame, so let's select this. So as you can see, after the selection, I'm going to click on this option which is called freeze. So let's click on the freeze, and after clicking on the freeze, as you can see now here the 1 second is freeze. If you want to increase the duration of this frame and freeze it for more time, you can also do that. I'm gonna zoom this again, and now let's zooming this again. As you can see, now we have to scroll this more. I'm going to scroll this more. As you can see, now the duration has been increased. Now it's around 2 seconds. So as you can see, let's see, now the video is playing from here, and now let's see, it's freeze here. Now let's go again. As you can see, now it's running again. If you want to freeze this for more time, you can also do that. I'm going to again do. So as you can see, now again the duration is increased. So as you can see, the duration also increased again. So in this way you can freeze a frame into VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can freeze a video into VN editor. So see you guys in the next video.